The famous Marmara Ocean, historical Marmara Ocean. Behind me, Istanbul, the beautiful historical Marmara Ocean. This is Istanbul, a legend, historical place of the world. Look at him. Oops. Wow. Historical Marmara Ocean next to me. Need to take a ferry. All right. Our guest from Istanbul. The great Marmara Ocean. Taking a ferry to go back to my hotel, Bonmonti, Elton Hotel. But look at this. Wow. This is truly a spectacular journey once in a lifetime. You must need to come to Istanbul. The influence of the Byzantine Empire and the Ottoman Empire. This city will truly make you feel the civilization of the world is embedded in this city, in everywhere, in food, culture, language, archaeology, history. Such a historical city, Istanbul. This is the great, famous ocean, the Marmara Ocean. Wow. At this. From my ferry, you can see the view of the ocean. Very cold right now. It's the historical ocean, the Marmara. It's truly a once in a lifetime journey. Just simply no word to express my feelings. This is the famous Marmara Ocean. A ferry ride. Wow, look at this. Istanbul, the bridge between Europe and Asia, the historical city of the world. Just amazing. You can see the view of the city. Wow. Two of the great empires of the world, Byzantine and Ottoman, just embedded this culture, this city. So much. Constantine Empire. Constantinople used to be the name of the city. And the Ottoman empires came and ruled this city. Istanbul to the city of prosperity, towards prosperity. Look at the view behind me. You can see the landscape of the city. Beautiful. This is Istanbul, the gateway to Europe and Asia. You must need to come. Just so much to see once in a lifetime. This is your show, Journey of the Spirit. Byzantine Empire and Ottoman Empire. You see the architecture of this city, the history has two of the cultures, the Ottoman Empire and the Byzantine. Beautiful. Wow. The Marmara Ocean, the waves of the ocean, the wind, the seagulls, and the city, Istanbul, the gateway to Europe and Asia, the bridge between Europe and Asia, the World Heritage Center, one of the city that has been visited by millions of visitors around the world, embedded with two of the empires, Byzantine and Ottoman. Constantine used to rule this country. The city used to be known as Constantinople, and then the Ottoman empires came and named this Istanbul. Wow, once in a lifetime. This is the Marmara Ocean, and I'm taking a ferry ride. Must need to come to Istanbul. Look at the view of the mosque. To here, Rajan. Wow. Look at this. This is Istanbul. This is Istanbul, the historical city known as the World Heritage Center. Behind me on the mosque, you can hear Dajan from here. Ruled by the Ottoman empires, these great mosques, highly influenced by two of the spirituality, Christianity and Islam, just came together back to back. And this is the great city, Istanbul, known as to the city. Byzantine Empire and the Ottoman Empire, once in a lifetime. You must need to come. This is Istanbul, the bridge between Europe and Asia. Yeah. Welcome to Istanbul, and this is your show, Journey of the Spirit. This Farah and Sada, once in a lifetime experience. Just I have no words to express how I'm feeling here. I'm just feeling the history of the world, the spirituality. Everything belongs to this place. The bridge between Asia and Europe and the two of the empires, Byzantine and the Ottoman empires. You see the seagulls are flying, and this is the great ocean, the Marmara Ocean. One side the mosque, the other side the church. That belongs to that one spiritual belief, that we all belong to one source, belong to one God. As long as we have it in our soul, in our belief, that we are belong to one source, one power, one supreme power. Sufism is hardly practiced here during the Ottoman Empire, and if you see, you understand that I can feel that whole spirituality here, and just totally mesmerized. This is once in a lifetime experience. Must need to come to Istanbul, and this is your show, Journey of the Spirit. This is Istanbul, once in a lifetime. Behind me, all the mosques. You see the Ajan and also the Marmara Ocean, the spiritual place you belong to. You will understand how spirituality embedded in this country, ruled by two of the empires. The Ottoman empires came and established the religion known as the peace